Hello student, I'm Teacher Puff. Today I'm gonna teach you how to use paper to make a very cute paper bunny. First, we need to prepare materials: 2 A4 size paper, scissor, glue, oil pastel, stapler or tape. After that, take out one of your A4 size paper, fold into half and cut it off. Take out another of your half A4 size paper, fold it half, and fold side by side, left, right together, and again. Repeat this step into 2. Open it and fold up and down to make a zigzag pattern. Remember, another half of your paper also repeat the same step. Next, use the glue to stick together to make it longer. Squeeze it all together and fold into half. You can use tape, rope, or string to stick on the middle. After that, take out your glue and stick side by side. Remember, you must stick firmly so the paper will not come out. After finish sticking, it will make a round shape. Next, take out another A4 size paper, fold into half, and draw the baby bunny ears, paws, and the eyes, nose. Use your scissors to cut it out. And take out your oil pastel to color it. You can use different colors from dark tones to light tones to make it more colorful. At the middle, after that, take out your glue, put a little bit glue inside and stick on the bottom of the circle. After finish, then you use the glue to stick the ears behind the circle. After finish the that part, then you draw a small circle, cut it into 4 to make the eyes. You can use different colors of your bunny. You can use blue, green, purple, or yellow, or the other favorite colors you like. And stick on the bunny middle. And draw another small tiny circle. Stick on the middle to make the nose. Yay! Then we finished already.